to the Smart Seller Series. I'm Margaret with Brooks and Davis Real Estate Firm, and today we're showing you how we market homes to get them sold fast and for the highest price possible. When you list your home with Brooks and Davis, you don't just get an agent, you'll get a full marketing machine. Our system puts your home in front of more buyers on more platforms with more strategy than the traditional marketing ever could. In this episode, I'm going to break down our 5-part Smart Seller marketing system, the exact steps we use to create maximum exposure and motivate buyers to act quickly. So, part 1 is professional high-quality visuals, because pictures are the first showing. We invest in HD professional photography, drone footage, walkthrough videos, virtual tours, floor plans, and clean, bright staging photos. Part 2 is our powerful social media marketing. Buyers aren't just on HAR or Zillow, they're on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube every day. So we create short form video tours, attention grabbing reels, boosted ads to target buyers, Facebook neighborhood promotions, YouTube listing features, shareable social graphics. All of this helps get your home in front of thousands of buyers, not just ones actively searching. This is one of the reasons why our listings get significantly more visibility than the average Houston listing. Part 3 is your MLS-powered exposure. When your home goes live, it doesn't just sit on HAR, it syndicates to Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, Redfin, Homes.com, and dozens of our partner sites. Plus, MLS alerts instantly notify agents looking for homes just like yours. This creates traction immediately, often after going live for minutes. Now, part 4 is the community-based marketing, and this is where Brooks and Davis shines. We share your listings across Houston Realtor community groups, our broker networks, our private agent lists, neighborhood groups, and our email blasts up to 200,000 plus contacts. We have a massive network in Houston's real estate industry. And when we share a listing, agents pay attention. Now, part 5 is in-person marketing, where our buyers feel emotional connection. We conduct weekend open houses, broker previews, neighborhood invites, directional signage setups, and follow-up systems. When done correctly, open houses create excitement, urgency, and competition, especially in hot neighborhoods. So remember, when you list with Brooks and Davis, you're getting a proven 5-part marketing system designed to help get your home seen by the right buyers fast. This is what creates competition. This is what drives strong offers. This is how you sell smart. If you want to know how this marketing system would apply specifically to your home, your neighborhood, and your price point, we would love to talk you through it. Click the link below or scan the QR code. Schedule your free seller strategy session. We'll show you exactly how we position your home to get maximum exposure and maximum return. I'm Margaret with Brooks and Davis Real Estate Firm, the Signatures team. Now, thanks for watching episode 4 of the Smart Seller series, and we'll see you in episode 5. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a homeowner who's thinking about selling.